So welcome to the January edition of the top 3 movie streaming websites, which are all 100% free, 100% legal, and most importantly, don't require any kind of registration. Now, I've already activated my VPN just for my own privacy and protection. It really is essential to use a VPN when accessing content like this. It just means that nobody can monitor or track you. If you want to use the same VPN I'm using, just comment the word VPN below and I'll give you my special discount code. Now, the first website in today's list is actually justwatch.com. Now, this is what you call an all-in-one movie TV show aggregator, where it just brings in the best content available from lots of different services, including many free ones. So we can see directly on the homepage, I can click on Discover Movies and TV Shows. I can now click on where it says price. Let's now click on free. This will now filter out all of the content and show you all of the media available, which is absolutely free. So you can see, guys, lots of very, very popular content, different movies, different TV shows. Let's say, for example, we're interested in this Mad Men. Let's click on that. And we can now see all of these free services offering the same content. So let's try Pluto TV. I can click on this link here. This will now take me directly to that website and it should automatically load that content for me. And we can see in a couple of seconds, it's done exactly that. Super easy to use. Browse all of your favorite TV shows or movies, one click, and you can go ahead and enjoy all of that content. So you can see, guys, you just have pages and pages of free movies, free TV shows that you can enjoy directly on this website, again, without any registration, without any login. So that's the first one in the list, which is justwatch.com. The next one we have in the list is actually YouTube. Now, many people don't know, but YouTube, the platform you're watching this video on, actually has a large library of movies and TV shows, all absolutely free, just ad supported. We can see directly on the homepage, I have a section here called Movies and TV. Let's click on that now. And we now see this entire section dedicated with free content that you can enjoy on all of your devices. So you have your favorite genres: action, primetime, drama, comedy, family, animation. Let's try this one over here. Let's click on that. Takes a couple of seconds. You will see a quick advert. But as soon as the ad finishes, you are taken straight into that movie. And that's working absolutely fine. And of course, as it's YouTube, you're not going to have any issues with buffering or stuttering. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free on all of your devices. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. Just lots and lots of different content, documentaries, classic, dramas, all included directly on the YouTube homepage. Let's try one more. Let's try this one over here. Get in a couple of seconds. You are taken straight into that content. That's working absolutely fine. So that's the second one in the list, which is youtube.com. The next one in the list is Zoomer Play. Now, this is just a phenomenal website, also available as an application, just has hundreds of live TV channels, but also a large library of movies and TV shows. Now, we see directly on the homepage, I can click on free movies. You can see, guys, just pages and pages of content, all properly categorized, that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Here, for example, we have this one here. Let's click on that. Click on play. And again, in a couple of seconds, that starts streaming straight away. That's working absolutely fine. That's in the movie section. Let's go back. So different genres, different categories, lots of great content. You also have a TV show section. Let's click on that. Now you can just see also pages and pages of very popular TV shows that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Let's try this Western. You can now see all of the episodes in the series, one click, and you are taken straight into that content. That's working absolutely fine. So that's the next one in the list, which is zoomerplay.com. The next one in the list is Sling Freestream. So just a fantastic service. You can see directly on the homepage, they offer more than 600 free channels, but they also have a very large section for movies and TV shows. So let's click on Stream Free. I can now click on Demand. And here we have it, guys. You've got movies, TV shows, and even a dedicated kids section. So let's scroll down. So again, all your favorite genres: comedies, reality, cartoons, horror, classic, family, game shows, paranormal. Let's try this one over here. Click on that. one click, and we are taken instantly into that content, and I start streaming straight away. I can forward that a bit just to show you that it's working absolutely fine. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's click on TV shows. That's working great. So that's the next one on the list, which is Sling Freestream. The next one on the list is Plex. Now, Plex is just a phenomenal application and website and service, allowing you to catalog your home movies, home TV shows, all of your different videos. But we're interested in the free movies and TV shows. Let's click on that. And you can see, guys, literally just one click and you're straight into the jam-packed library of lots of free content. All your favorite genres are here again. Binge-worthy shows, recently added, best of the West. Let's try this one over here. Click on play. That's working absolutely fine. So that's the next one on the list, which is plextv.com. The next one we have on the list is Tubi TV. Now, this has to be one of the largest libraries available, absolutely free, much bigger than Netflix, that you can enjoy on all of your devices. Directly on the homepage, you get access to the recommended content, recommended TV, and then just pages and pages of really good movies and TV shows. You can browse at the top, so you can access your different genres. All your favorite content is in here. Let's go to movies. And we can now just see pages and pages of the movie content. Let's try this one over here, MIB. Click on play. And you can see, guys, in less than a few seconds, we are straight into that content, even has working subtitles, closed captions. That's working absolutely fine. Let's go back. So again, just pages and pages of movie content, weekly watching, recently added, sci-fi, cult classics, martial arts. You can see it really is an all-in-one website with movies, TV shows, and even live TV, and also Spanish content and even kids content. So it really does have something for everybody. So that's tubitv.com. The next one we have in the list is popcornflix.com. So again, super easy to use website, lots of great content directly on the homepage. We can see new arrivals, we can see action, prime TV picks, pulse pounding thrills. Let's try one of these. Let's try this one over here. Click on that. You can see, guys, no messing about, no waiting, just one click, and we are taken straight into the action. That's working flawlessly. Let's go to movies. We can now see a large library of movie content, all properly categorized, that you can enjoy with one click. So that's the next one on the list, which is popcornflix.com. The next one we have on the list is foursome.tv. Again, very easy to use, very easy to navigate. Directly on the homepage, you can access all of the different genres. So if I'm interested in action, let's click on that. This will then filter out the content and show me all of the free action movies that I can access directly on here. So let's try this one over here. Very popular movie. You can see, guys, in a couple of seconds, no waiting around, and I'll start streaming straight away. And that's working absolutely fine. Let's go back to movies. Just pages and pages of content available that you can enjoy on all of your devices directly from his website. Let's try one of these. Let's try this one over here. Super fast, one click, and you are instantly taken to that content. That's working absolutely fine. And they also have a Spanish section as well if you're interested in that. So that's the next one on the list, which is foursome.tv. Then we have one of the OGs, pluto.tv. Now this application probably started was one of the earliest applications to offer free ad-supported TV. It just has a superb library of movies, TV shows, and a very, very large library of live TV content. Let's click on demand, and you can now see all of the content in here. So again, very popular content, all properly categorized. You have comedy, drama, crime, horror, classic, black collective, staff picks, and you can just see it's just pages and pages of content. Let's try one of these. Let's try this one over here. Click on watch now, and you can see in a couple of seconds we are taken straight into that content. That's working absolutely fine. You can just see, guys, just so much content, so many popular movies, so many popular TV shows that you can enjoy on all of your devices. And you can see, guys, because we clicked on something, I now have a continue watching section where I can continue watching where I left off. So great feature, again, without requiring any kind of sign up, any kind of sign in. You can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content across all of your devices. They need to mention that some of these websites will do a check to see, are you watching from a supported region? And the way they do that is they check your IP address. Now I'm based in the UK and I'm just using a VPN to set my location to New York. And with that location, I can unlock all of the content shown in the video today. If you're looking for the best way and the easiest way to change your location, to protect your privacy, to stay safe online, using a VPN really is the best and easiest way to do that. Right now, there's a super special offer for the new year where you can get total protection for all of your devices. It allows me to access all of the applications I want to access and works great on all of my devices because they give you those unlimited connections. So one account, you can install it on 10 Fire Sticks, 5 laptops, 300 TVs, really as many devices as you like. So that kind of flexibility and that amazing price point, which you can see here for just over $2 a month, it really is a fantastic offer. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. And again, at this price point, it's definitely worthwhile checking out. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.